Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 and the day in the life of being a mobile mechanic. What to my surprise, got a nice modifying job on this brisk November day. This is a business vehicle. The guy's brakes have literally fallen apart. And you can see his rotor right here, thin, thick, nice Saturn. The dually pistons I had to push in extremely hard. The car has been sitting for quite some time, and please don't ever let your brakes get this way. First they're going to squeal and then they're going to grind. It's just very, very, very dangerous. I can't make this up. So I want you guys to see what a rotor looks like when it needs to be changed when your brakes get to this point. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.